What's going on, guys? My name is Ben and welcome back to another video. Today I am very excited to announce a new series here on the channel, for I have brought from CoPart a 2015 Ford Fiesta ST. The car has sustained some minor accident damage, which I thought would be very good to film. I've watched many creators on YouTube like Goon Squad, Sparkplug Steve and even TJ Hunt who have been doing rebuild projects like this, and I thought that just looks a lot of fun really. How hard can it be? Before the car arrives, it should be here any minute now, which is very exciting. I thought I'd run through some of the issues I am expecting to see when the car arrives based on the photos from the auction. Now, the rear bumper has a tiny scuff which can be repainted. Some of the wheels look... Oh, there he is. Oh my God. Oh dear. So yeah, it needs a front bumper, two new front wings, two mirrors, and the wheel is bent in. But yeah, I'm going to go take a look at my new car. That was good timing, you right?
Yeah, good. Yeah.
How you doing? Oh my God, what have I done? Oh. So yeah, as I was saying, the damage expected is this front wheel is bent, which should be a wishbone or a track rod end, something like that. Needs a new front bumper. This wing needs replacing, the other wing also needs replacing. Let's get a general look around it. Looks okay, that's broken. That reflector. Yeah, there's that little scuff I mentioned. That's not too bad, to be fair. Some light scratches, hopefully they will buff out. And there we go. Missing mirror. That pop back in? I don't know. It's also got no keys, which is a little bit suspicious. And also in the boot it comes with two sets of plates, as I believe this is stolen. Yeah. So that's a bit dicey. What we're going to do now is try and get it off the trailer, which is going to be quite challenging due to the bent wheel. But how hard can it be? Right, so we did manage to get the Fiesta ST off the trailer without any hiccups. We did have to remove the driver's side front wheel and attach the track rod end, just so we could get the wheel straight and then roll it off. If we look at the gems I have got in my car and the added benefits of what I paid, in the boot we have a fuel can, two sets of different number plates, both belonging to blue Fiesta STs. Some apple juice, vodka, big bottle of Fanta, and a wheel arch. No carpet in there, so that's another thing I've got to buy. Inside, Hannah is just giving it a nice clean and a spruce up. And around the front, because I am really impatient and I can't help myself, we have already removed the headlights, and I'm trying to figure out how to take off the front bumper, but I may leave that for another day. So yeah, that's about it really. That's hanging off and that needs to be replaced. But apart from that, I am now the proud owner of a Mark 7 Fiesta ST. That reminds me, the front seat is stuck on the rails. It won't go forwards or backwards. annoyingly, so that is covering up the bolts, so we can't remove it. So if anyone's got any advice on how to do that, then do let me know in the comments below. But if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on the journey that this car is about to take. I cannot wait to have it all fixed up and looking shiny again, and I cannot wait to take it out on the road. First step, it's got to be the suspension, try and fix that. I've brought a keyless key, try and get it started, see if it runs, and we should be good to go. But anyway, again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.